Hello, Maxwell. This is Anya, aka Leggy. The one you inspire, the one I love watching your vids the most. In secret. There are 299 viewers and friends of yours watching you because they care for you. Some of them wanted you to stay, some of them wanted to forgive you, and some of them cares you most ever. You even changed my life the most of it as well. You're the one who made it possible to create the magnificent story you ever had that came from your heart. And I care you very much. And I don't have the strength to tell you how I felt. It is your choice if you want to leave or not. I understand. So, c'est la vie. Dis-moi, Luxem.